we are creating a summer kitchen vignette. And this vignette is a part of the challenge that's being hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. And today we're just going to add a fresh touch to the kitchen. So stay right there and let's get started. I'm sure when Denise Jordan birthed the idea of the Kitchen Vignette Challenge, that she had no idea that it would go on as long as it has. We have certainly enjoyed as creators being able to come up with unique and meaningful creations along the way. Now, I'm going to show you just a few of those creations that I've put in place, and there are others. But it's all about bringing love, happiness, and warmth into your kitchen. So thank you, Denise, for hosting this collaboration and for inspiring us to continue to do what we all love to do in the kitchen for the kitchen. I found this tray at Ross. I thought, wow, I know exactly where that's going to go. It was perfect for my lemon theme and perfect for my summer kitchen vignette. Now, what I'm going to do with this vignette, because we do have some specifications. So it's always on a tray. And of course, here's our tray. But I like to put some type of Lazy Susan underneath so I can turn it as I'm working on it. So I have a Lazy Susan that I purchased. It was very inexpensive through IKEA. And so I'm going to put that underneath. So on top of that, I'm going to sit my lemon themed tray, because that's actually it's very pretty just by itself, but that's not me. I'm not going to stop there. The next thing, I wanted this little pitcher, and I think this little pitcher is so cute. It's just the perfect size, and I could probably use it, for a tablescape, or use it to actually serve with, because it is food safe. But that's not what we're going to do today. We're going to fill this little pitcher with a little bouquet of flowers. So I put together some flowers. I didn't want to have to purchase any new flowers right now. So, and in fact, when you go to some of the smaller stores, some of the flowers are just not what you want. Now, Michael's has a great selection, and I could certainly go to Michael's, but I'm thinking I need to trim the bottom of these very quickly. So I'm going to take my wire cutters. I'm going to trim off the bottom because I want them to sit pretty steady in this pitcher. And sometimes they come off very easy, and sometimes not so much. So I'm going to get that done. And I put them together with a zip tie so that they'll stay together and go in just the way I want them. Now, once I get them in, then I can go in and I can start to spread them over the pot, over this little pitcher, and turn the side whatever way I want them. And actually there's even room that if I wanted to add something else, I could. So let me pick up these pieces, and we're going to be ready to add to our vignette. I was looking at that picture, and it does look very nice. And I'll be shifting and playing with these pieces off and on every time I go past them. I know, because that's what I do. But anyway, let's talk about what else is going to go in it. Now, if you remember from my Amazon haul that I had some little lemon heads. So those little lemon heads are going to be a part of this decor. And I also have a little lemon bowl that I thought would go well and would pick up the colors and carry the theme as well. I have some artificial lemons that I poked a skewer into, and I'm going to add them into my bouquet just to kind of peek out, give that little touch of lemon. And I only needed 3, I think. 3 is that magic number. So that 3 just adds in that lemon color to the bouquet. Now, we need some greenery, and I had some little pieces that I thought I'd put around. Put in the bottom to add to our decor. And you see, I can just turn it around. That's what I want to be able to do. And these are little odd end pieces that have been clipped, and I keep them in a plastic bag. And that way, when I just need a little touch of something, I can go through that plastic bag and find just the perfect little pieces that I want. Now, I also had some other lemons, so let's put them in. I like doing things in 3, so there's our 1, our 2, and they have a nice variety of color. So that's going to be our 3 in the bowl. And then I wanted to put a few just around the tray, just to keep that lemon theme going. Now, you know, this will have to be shifted because as a part of this vignette, we needed to have a sign or some type of signage. So I had 2 that I liked, and 2, 1 says, "Where trouble melts like lemon drops." And I thought, oh, that's perfect for right over here where our little lemon heads are. So let's see if I can get that in there. Okay, I think that might fit right there. But then when I went over to the other side, I needed something over there as well. So I may shift my picture just a little bit. And let me see if I can get my other little sign in that says, "Love is patient, love is kind." Because after all, we are sending messages while we're in our kitchen. I'm going to put my little lemon right there. That's going to kind of hold that right there in place, as well as the greenery. I'm going to bring that greenery around, and then get our lemon. There he is. Let's see if I can work on this one. You know, sometimes it just takes a little more time to get it right. There we go. Where trouble melts like lemon drops. Have our lemon heads. Got their sign, love is patient, love is kind. Cute little picture, beautiful flowers, lots and lots of lemony items, and back to the beginning.
planning, cooking, and decorating are the things that I do in my kitchen all the time. And if you like those types of things, I invite you to join the Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme family, because this is where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. So, right now, go down to the subscribe button and click on it. Also, while you're there, tap that little bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you will know. Also, you may also go down into the description box and take a look at some of my favorite Amazon items. And I list those types of things all the time because as I use them, I invite you to use them also. So, there's a nice running list of things there. I hope you have enjoyed today's video with our summer kitchen vignette, and certainly it just adds that lemony touch to our kitchen, and to anyone who's coming into the kitchen, it has a great message of love. Thank you, Denise, for hosting this vignette, because I like it. I like to be able to participate, as well as I love to create. So, I'll see you soon, right here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. Blessings to you and to yours.